Okay, everybody, this is number 9 on our Chapter 5 review. I'm not doing every problem on the Chapter 5 review. I'm just doing some of them, some of the ones that I think that students have more trouble with. So this is number 9. It's 3 times log base b of x minus 4 times log base b of y plus 1/2 log base b of z. And our directions ask us to express it as a single logarithm. And that's what I'm going to do now. So if you remember, we're going to focus on these numbers first, the numbers that are in front of the log. What we're going to do with those is we are going to associate them with as the exponent that this x is being raised to, that the y is being raised to, and the z. So I'm going to write it as log base b of x to the third minus log base b of y to the fourth plus log base b z to the 1/2. Okay? So let's go back and let's look at this 1/2. And we've talked some about rational exponents and what that means. And that's exactly what we're going to have to do here. So a rational exponent is going to be rewritten as a radical. And so we are going to do log base b of z. Z is raised to the first power. We have z to the first power inside the radical. The denominator is our index. So it's 2. Now, I will tell you, you do not have to have that 1, and you do not have to have that 2. Those are assumed. So you can just write it as the square root of z. Okay. Now, when we think about our other properties, we think about here we have log base b of x to the third minus log base b of y. Anytime that we have a subtraction, that's going to follow our quotient rule. Our quotient rule with logarithms. So my x to the third is going to be in my numerator, and in my denominator I'm going to have that y to the fourth. And that's because log base b of x to the third was subtracted, or we are subtracting log base b of y to the fourth. So that's why that y to the fourth goes in the denominator. Now, our square root of z actually goes in the numerator, and that's because of this addition sign right here. That's because of the addition sign. Okay, that's why it goes in the numerator. It does not go in the denominator. Had that been a subtraction sign, then we would be able to, then we would put it in the denominator. But because of that plus sign, it goes in the numerator.